everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your TikTok search bar. But before we start the video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just start with our video now. So the kind of problem you're having is the question over here. So if you're having problem with your TikTok having the same kind of contents again and again, even if you go to your search bar, it's just like the recommendations are not so good and you are just getting the same kind of contents over there. And so what you will do is you will simply make sure whatever kind of contents that you like, or constantly tap this double like option over there, because if you do that, that kind of contents will be throughout from your TikTok. But if you can't search a particular thing or your recommendations are not good, then what you can do is you can simply go back to this setting option over here, and then you will simply go to apps or apps manager. Simply tap on this apps. Once the app is there, simply tap on this option called storage over here, and you can see the clear cache option. Simply tap on it and clear your cache. Here you can see the clear data option. Simply tap on it. Here you can clear all of your data from your app. This will remove your account, including all the database or the files that you have in your TikTok. That way it will reset whole your TikTok and you will get logged out of your TikTok app that way. So if you do that, you will simply confirm and you will go back to your TikTok again, re-logged in with your account, and you can again have a new refresh search bar over there. You can simply search whatever you would like to. So yeah, this is how you can simply fix your search bar problem over there. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and do make sure to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.